Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the 2018 Sykes Farms Squirrel Camp. About to put on hunting clothes, go out there and see if I can bag a couple tree rats. Let's do it. Alright, now let's go kill some tree rats. Got stuck in a rainstorm, y'all. It's raining and coming down pretty solid, so it's hard to hear the squirrels in the trees when all you hear is raindrops are falling, but at least it's pretty out here.
That's a deer stand we built way back in the day. It has seen better days. The roof's falling down.
Alright, y'all. There was at least 3 squirrels that should be dead right now. But I'm not bringing home any squirrels. Can't hit a damn thing with that 410 shotgun. I was actually trying to buy a shotgun on my way here, but like they put a background check hold on my background check because there's so many Robert Sykeses out there. So I was in a rush and didn't have time to get another shotgun. So I'm not too happy about that. I'm known for accuracy, not missing squirrels, but oh well. It's getting to be very heavy rain out here, so squirrels aren't moving. I'm headed back to the cabin. All right, ladies and gents. So I'd hoped to have gotten a lot more footage of Squirrel Camp for you, but to be honest, it just rained the entire week and it's still raining. This is the next morning, by the way. But just to get a recap on what happened, there were 9 squirrels killed, of which my Uncle Jim killed 7, so he pretty much carried the way to the camp there. We had squirrel and dumplings. I skipped on that because I can't have the dumplings. I ate a bunch of kilo bricks. We had 8 pigs in the pig trap, so we killed 8 pigs, wild hogs. And it was just a good weekend. I come out here. I haven't been able to make it to a squirrel camp in 4 years, I believe, because I was living up in Washington. Then I come down here, and I've just been busy. We were up in Fayetteville living there for a year. But now we've moved down to Bryant. We're a little closer. We're kind of making some headway with the business stuff. So I wanted to get away for a weekend, disconnect, come out here and spend time with people I haven't seen in years. This is the family farm. This is my paradise. And I want to try and make an effort to get out here more. We have Thanksgiving down here. We have deer camp down here. Crystal and I are going to get married down here. In fact, we're going to get married underneath that tree. That big tree is where we're going to get married. That's where my dad's going to get buried someday. That's where Crystal and I are going to get married. Lots of monumental places at this farm in my life. It runs deep in my blood, y'all. But that's pretty much what happened. Like I said, I'm sorry I didn't get more footage. It was just raining the whole time. We got trapped inside the cabin. Played poker a lot of the time because it was just coming down so hard. Came up 20 cents ahead on my poker game. Yeah, headed back now to spend some time with Crystal and do some work on the business. So it's been a good little disconnect. Nothing too crazy. I've got, I haven't told anybody this, but Danny Vega and Ben are coming down here the first weekend of December, and it's just gonna be the 3 of us, and we're gonna make like some really cool footage there. So get ready for that. That's gonna be a hell of a lot of fun. We're gonna do some hunting. I'm gonna teach Danny how to hunt. It's gonna be a good trip. So yeah, we'll get a lot of footage then. I'll get a lot of footage of deer camp and Thanksgiving and all that stuff. I'm sorry it was just raining so much this weekend, but it's important to kind of disconnect, even though sometimes you can't. It's important every once in a while to get into like I don't know, just a different frame of mind. Like get out of your normal routine, out of your normal bubble, and then just come back and attack it fresh. And you hear that a lot, but it's hard to do, especially when you're your own business, because it's hard to have that disconnect. But for me, this farm, being outdoors, being in nature, that's my disconnect. So much so that I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get Crystal and I both bows and arrows. We're gonna get into archery, and I want us to make it a point to get outside and just connect, because I think that's very important, especially being outside. I mean, that's something that not enough people do these days. So hunting, hunting and keto go hand in hand. You're eating a lot of meat, harvest that meat. Be one with the food you're eating. So I'm just kind of rambling at this point. Just want to get a little bit more footage for today's vlog. I love y'all. I'm headed home now. We're going to get some work done. So we'll catch you on the next day's vlog. Well, real quick, before I cut it, check out this field. Isn't it beautiful, y'all? Even in the rain, this place is beautiful. Crystal, I'll see you under that tree April 28th, baby. Love you.